Hi, what's up guys, it's me Anna Fan here from techaply. Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix mouse scroll wheel jumps issue and broken mouse wheel. So let's get started. Open the mouse. The next step, so here are the tools to fix the mouse scroll wheel jumps issue. This video I'm using a lollipop stick, and the idea is to get the lollipop stick to fit in with the mouse scroll wheels. Alright, another tool that I'm currently using is a sandpaper. So sandpaper is used to grind the wheel's pole. Alright, after you've done that, next step, put the scroll wheel on its position and mark the piece of lollipop stick that you want to get. Next, cut the lollipop stick and sticking it in more. So after you're cutting it all, and what you need to do is get back the broken part of the mouse scroll wheels, and this is very teeny part, so make sure you put and fit it in. And if you loosen it somewhere, you can use a piece of toothpick as well. So it would look like this, guys. You put it in. After that, you use a glue stick and you drop 1 or 2 drops there and wait for it until it gets dried. After it gets dried, put it back on its position and push it in the hole of the scroll wheels on the other side. So after that, checking up with the scroll wheel how it works. If the wheels is running and it's scrolling, both of the sides is scrolling, then it's working. Alright, so that's it. That's how I fix the mouse scroll wheel jumps issue as well as broken mouse wheel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you find this helpful, please share it with others. And if you're new here, please consider to subscribe to this channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.